Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without showing your face. It's very easy. So for those of you who wouldn't like to go live showing your face, this video is for you. I'll show you how to totally hide your face during your live on TikTok. Now let's get started with the process. Now the first step to take is to open your TikTok application and then click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. Select the live option. Just before you go live on TikTok, you'll see this effects icon right there. Click on the effects icon and then you can choose an effect that is going to hide your face. For example, I think this one can hide your face. This one. Right, there's so many effects here, but there are some that's going to change the look of your face, and that's the one I'm trying to get for you. Okay, for example, something like this. Let's try something like this effects right here. So it will have to dictate my face. I think I'm using the back camera, so let me use the front camera. So it will have to dictate your face. All right, still trying to dictate it, I guess. Oh, it's not working well. Let's try something else. Yeah, for example, this one. Let's try this one and see. So let me go live. Click on the go live button and see if it's going to work. All right, so why is it saying no face detected? Yes, it. Now as you can see, it has totally changed the look of my face. And there are still lots of effects like this that can help you change the look of your face, so people won't be able to recognize you if you go live. All right, yeah, so guys, this is how to go live on TikTok without showing your face. It's very simple, right? So if it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.